Hey y'all, it's Tyjalea. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I do my banded ponytail. I start on dry stretched hair, so y'all know these 4 braids is how I usually have my hair before I style. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on my hair because I'm going to brush it out. And whenever I brush my hair out while it's dry, I need some type of buffer on it so that it doesn't easily snag and break because it is in its dry state. So put a little oil in there and gently brush it out from the ends of your hair, working your way up towards the roots. Okay, so now that my hair is brushed out, it's going to be super easy to pull back and also thick in the ponytail because it's brushed out. But first, I'm going to part my hair. You can do a straight back part. I did that the first time, so this time I'm doing like a zigzag. You'll need a bunch of hair ties, not really that many, but the longer your hair is, the more you'll need. I use about 6 or 7. Now, once you've got your hair in the ponytail, that's really it. I think that's what most of y'all wanted to see from me. And then after that, you just continue to slide your hand down the length of your ponytail a little and then add another hair tie. One final thing to note is that as I'm putting the hair ties on, I'm keeping my hair behind my head. This keeps the hair from the ponytail from being crooked, because if you pull your hair to the side and try to band it, your ponytail will be a slanted ponytail, so it will be crooked. Don't do that. After you put a good amount on, then you could bring it over to the front or the side of you so that you can put the bands at the end of the hair, and that's it. So once you get to the bottom of your hair, then that is it. You could leave a little bit of hair at the ends, or you could band it all the way down to cover the ends up. It depends on what you want to do. So last thing is just to brush my fronts down a little bit, just to give it some flavor other than just going straight back into the ponytail. And that's it. So this is how I do my banded ponytail on stretched dry hair. Super easy, super simple. Also, the beautiful thing about this is when you take the bands off after wearing it stretched for a few days, your hair is pretty much stretched like a blow dry. So I did a twist out on the stretched hair, and my goodness. So I got a video for that coming too. But anyways, disclaimer, I would not do this style often. I would not do this method often, just because it seems like it's too much on the strands to be putting hair bands on all of the hair like that. I don't like putting hair bands on my hair for one. So that's it. Like the video if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.